Hi there and welcome to another ShopMate tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be explaining about the payment methods of the back end of your shop. So if you hover over extensions and move down to payments, you can see we have a whole lot of different payment methods available. These payment methods will always be updated, so in the future versions there may be a whole lot of extra payment methods available to use. So to start with, I'll just be talking about the bank transfer. As you can see, we only have a few installed at the moment, which is just bank transfer now. Left hand click on edit to edit it. This here is the bank transfer instructions. Now this here will be shown in the email that's sent to the customer as well as on the confirmation page, which I'll show you in a second. So that's the instructions for the bank transfer. The order status, do you want it to be processing, pending? It really depends on how you want to do things. GeoZone, do you want it to be available this payment method only for New Zealand, or do you want it to be available for all zones? Status, enabled, sort order, 1. Click save. Now we only have bank transfer as an option. Now if we go to our checkout, we choose our flat shipping rate here. Now, as you can see here, we have payment methods available. This is where the customer will choose a payment method they want to use. So we'll choose bank transfer there for them. I've read and agreed to terms and conditions. Now click continue. And as you can see here, this is the instructions that we have put in the back end. So we can change these and they will get updated there if you like. So that's the cool thing about it. Now if we go back to payments and then I'll talk about the next one, we have check. Check is just if you want to be payable to a certain person, you just type in the payee name there, fill out the rest of the details, order status, GeoZone status, as we have in the other tutorials. Quite straightforward. Cash on delivery. This one here is pretty much only if you want them to come and pick it up. So make it you want it to be, make it they want to buy something, they want to come and pick it up, then you can just just put it as complete or change the order status and just click save, and that's also an option for them. PayMate. This is credit card using PayMate. Now this here, all you have to do is click enabled. You have to insert your PayMate login ID. So this isn't your email address, this is only your PayMate username. So you type this in here, make sure test mode isn't on, because if test mode is on, it means it won't work properly and it'll only be a test. And then make sure that you've got the order status what you want. GeoZones, all zones, sort order, put whatever you like there, 3. I'll put my one down here, click save. As you can see now, PayMate is installed as an option. Payment Express is another option, which is credit cards. So here you just insert your user and your key and make sure it's enabled and that sort of thing, and it should be all working fine. We also have PayPal as an option, PayPal Direct, SagePay and WordPay. So these are all different options that you can use for your payment options for your customers. I suggest just using bank transfer and one credit card option. I prefer to use PayMate and bank transfer. They're probably the most used ones, I think, with ShopMate, so I'd probably suggest using them. If you require any other additional payment methods, please get in touch with us and we'll be happy to work something out to see whether we can provide an extra payment method for you. You can uninstall the ones that you're not using if you like, and just keep them there in case you need them in a future time. Alright, so pretty much that's it for the payment part of the extensions menu. Hopefully it's explained a bit more and hopefully you understand it a bit more and you'll be able to understand where the payment things come into the back end and the front end. Thank you for watching this tutorial.